Water covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we have better maps of the cratered surface of Mars than we do of our own ocean floor. Floating here on the surface, the water is warm, bright, and familiar. This sunlit layer is a thin skin. It is the only portion of the ocean most life forms will ever experience. Below you, the water drops away into a darkness so deep and old that it defies human logic. Take a breath. We are going down. What we consider normal about Earth is a brightly lit ceiling hiding an alien reality below. The first 200 meters down is the sunlight zone. Solar energy drives life here, supporting coral reefs, dolphins, and 90% of all ocean life. As we sink, the colors die. Red disappears first, then orange, and then yellow. This diagram shows the specific depths where the water strips away the light spectrum, leaving only a cold blue-gray. At 200 meters, we enter the Twilight Zone. No plants grow here, the temperature drops fast, and the pressure builds with every meter. In this faint blue glow, creatures survive by making their own light. They use bioluminescence to blink in the dark, signaling to mates or luring prey. Hunters here possess specialized anatomy, like the hatchetfish, with eyes that point straight upward to catch the final shadows of prey silhouetted against the surface. Past the 200-meter mark, biology survives by adapting to a realm of shadows and chemical light. At 1,000 meters, we reach the midnight zone. The darkness is total and the water is near freezing. Humans would be crushed instantly by the pressure. Life survives by evolving extreme traits. The anglerfish waits in the black, using a glowing lure to draw prey toward enormous jaws. In the deep currents, scavengers like the vampire squid drift and wait for food to arrive from the world above. This food is marine snow, an endless, slow fall of dead organic matter drifting down from the surface. Because this energy source is rare, creatures evolve to eat anything they can catch, even prey larger than themselves. Life in the midnight zone is defined by perpetual starvation and the ruthless efficiency required to capture rare energy. At 4,000 meters, we enter the abyssal zone. This is a vast, cold plain that covers most of the Earth's surface, stretching flat and empty in every direction. Scientists once believed nothing could live here because the sun's energy never reaches this depth. They were wrong. Around cracks in the seafloor, life feeds on boiling, chemical-rich water pouring from the Earth's core. These ecosystems thrive entirely on planetary heat and minerals. Further down, the seafloor splits into the Hadal Zone. If you placed Mount Everest at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be more than 2 kilometers underwater. The pressure at the bottom is over 1,000 times what we feel on the surface. This is the equivalent weight of dozens of jumbo jets pressing down on your body. Even in this crushing environment, scientists found life. Small, pale, and patient creatures thrive where physics suggests survival should be impossible. These species colonize environments that were once thought to be entirely sterile. This is the limit, Challenger Deep. At 10,935 meters, the pressure is 1,000 times greater than the surface, and it is darker than the inside of a sealed cave. Only a handful of humans have ever reached the bottom, starting with the historical journey of the bathyscaphe Trieste. While modern research submersibles continue to bring light to this space, the scale of the journey makes it one of the rarest feats in human history. We still possess more knowledge about the surface of deep space than we do about this specific spot beneath our own oceans. The ocean is Earth's largest habitat, and almost all of it is an unmapped mystery. We have barely begun to look. So the question remains, what is still waiting down there in the dark? An alien world waits silently beneath our feet.